Hello everyone, welcome back to another model kit build. Today we are working on the Aoshima Nissan Skyline R35 GTR. To begin the model kit, I went ahead and worked on the chassis of the car. To first work on the exhaust tips, I went ahead and drilled some holes to express more depth in the exhaust tips. Afterwards, I then went ahead and began masking to go ahead and paint the exhaust tips. Afterwards, I then went ahead and used a chrome marker from Molotov to paint the exhaust tips. Once that was done, I then moved on to the window part of the model kit. For the Aoshima snap kit, a large sticker sheet is included instead of a decal sheet. This included the trim for the body itself. Once that was done, I then moved on to applying the brake light sticker onto the spoiler. Afterwards, I then focused on applying the skirt stickers as well as other light indicators and doorknobs. Before moving on to the next step, I went ahead and painted the inside of the windshield. After the painting was done, I then moved on to painting the front bumper and grille of the car, and then made sure to paint the inside of the grille along with the bumper. For this, I used a dark gray from Vallejo. After waiting for the paint to dry, I then moved on to the rear bumper and applied the stickers. Since I did not like the final result of the applied stickers on there, I instead opted to paint them. I first made sure to mask out the bumper. Afterwards, it was then time to paint. Using the same color as I did with the front bumper, I then moved on to painting. After letting the finished paint to dry, I then moved back into the front bumper and painted more pieces of the bumper. And to finish off, I made sure to make the front trim marker painted in Vallejo's aluminum. Afterwards, I finished the painting off by painting the small indicator light at the rear of the bumper. After the painting of both bumpers were complete, I then moved on to painting the rims using Vallejo's natural steel. During the meantime, I then also worked on applying more of the stickers and badges into the GTR. After allowing the rims to dry, I then moved on to painting the tires of the car using Tamiya's NATO Black. Once the paint was dry, I then moved on to applying the rims into the wheels, as well as applying the wheels into the chassis. Afterwards, I painted the rear indicators using Tamiya's clear red. Once the paint was dry, it was then time to assemble the taillights into the back of the body. I then moved on to painting the interior just using Krylon's matte varnish. After the varnish had dried, I then moved on to assembling the rest of the interior. Once finished, I then moved on to painting the trim on the headlights using a black Sharpie. Afterwards, it was then time to assemble the chassis with the body. After applying the blank license plate decals, the model was complete. And just before I go ahead and end the video, thank you everyone for 300 subscribers. I'm looking forward to making some more content, and I do have some really wonderful ideas coming up in the limelight soon. So please stay tuned, and for those of you who are new to the channel, please subscribe for the latest episodes and to help support my content. Thank you everyone, and have a good day.